Okay, this is John from Stonehouse Homestead, where we're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency, doing what we can with what we have where we are. Hey, I actually did it, Melissa. I remembered the whole thing. No, I cheated. What I have here is my Ruger LCP 380 ACP. But one of the big negatives about this is that it's got tiny sights. As you can see here. Well, a long time ago. I forgot to show you. I have already done this, but let me show you this. Now that's out of the way. Safety first, even though I forget to show you first. Anywho. So, a long time ago, my wife and I, we bought matching LCPs, and I also purchased her a Crimson Trace, and loves it big time. Well, I decided, what the hey, it's a cool little laser, and so I decided, well, you know what, let's just join the club. So, here's hers. Just to give you an idea. Okay. Not going to forget this time. So, what is great about the Crimson Trace is that it really looks integrated, but what I really like is the little button here. So when you naturally grab it, the laser activates. It's not like one of those little sticky things that other lasers have, where you put it like right there, and after you clean the gun, the adhesive won't stick anymore. This is great, and as you can see, it works really well. Now, my wife has shot her LCP a whole lot more than I've shot mine, and I just want to let you listen to something. Oops, that ain't gonna work. There you go. So, if you put a couple of hundred rounds through your LCP, it's going to get a little looser. So, anywho, so this is what you get, and it's pretty interesting because when you look at it, when you first look at it, it looks like it's really cheap and expensive. But you got to remember, this is plastic too. So, but they give you all the tools you need, even the battery, and it says that it's a lifetime battery on these. Or at least it did before. Let's see. Oh yeah. Free batteries for life. Cool. Anywho. Yep. Gives you little hex keys, little sticker to put on your gun once you install it. Now, the thing is that I had gone and purchased this before, and when I put it together, the two little locking screws, one wasn't actually tapped. So before I go any further, I'm just going to make sure that this is threaded. And yes, it is. Okay. I'm just testing. No point in going and putting this all together if this is not threaded. And I got this from OpticsPlanet, and they had absolutely no problem taking this back, or taking the other one back and sending me this replacement. So thumbs up to OpticsPlanet. So here's how it works. And it's kind of interesting because it holds together in a combination of slots and then those screws. So the first step, of course, is put the batteries in. Actually, let me do this. Now, whoops. I guess I'm just going to have to fuzz it. Yes, this is the side that has my serial number. Oh well. So the way that this works is that your trigger guard goes right into that slot. And it's a nice tight fit, but there's a little lock right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, there you go. So you can see. And it's a nice fit. I mean, come on, look at that. I'll set this down. Put the battery in. Let's see, make sure I'm putting it in correctly. All else fails. Read the instructions. I haven't done this in a long time. Alright, plus is on the top. Alright, and plus is on the top. Alright. So snap that in, and you should be able to test it already. Yeah, look at that. It works already. Ooh, coolio. So now all you have to do is take the other end, and then it has a little catch right there, and that catches right in here. And now this is the part that is in tension. So yeah, that's one bad thing about having a dark gun. so you can kind of see where it caught, and then I just flipped it around. There we go. Now here is where you put in the two screws. And like anything, you do not want to over tight. Now the one that I had to send back, let's see here, the screw went right, it just dropped to the bottom. So, alright, I'm feeling a nice tension there, and like I said, you don't want to over tighten it. And that's about it. Now, after you shoot it a few times, you're going to have to come back and tighten this again. And then, once you know that this is working fine, you might want to come back with some Loctite blue. But that's it. There we go. Now, the negative thing is, my little holster is not meant for a laser. This is a DeSantis gun hide. This is the original one that I bought. That's why my wife I bought my wife one of these. It's just a little bit bigger. But I'm going to see if my dear wife can go in and take these stitches out and then stitch it back here. Might be able to save some money. Who knows? But anyway, that's it, guys. That's it. That is as easy peasy lemon squeezy as Doug would say. And I mean Brad. Getting Brad and Doug mixed up. They kind of look the same except the beard length. But anyway, there we go. So, here's his, here's hers. Yeah, you can tell went and painted hers with a nice little silver touch. But that's it, folks. That's all there is to it. Real simple. Crimson Trace is a really good product. OpticsPlanet, very good vendor. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And as they say, smash. No, actually, smash the like button. Yeah, that's it. Smash the like button and ring the bell.